All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. I'm in the house today with the wee knife, Riff Raff Matthew Christensen design, and I'm gonna check it out real quick. But you know what, guys, you can check out as well. How about Fablades.com? See what is going on there, or maybe at Fablades on Instagram. I don't know if I said www.fablades.com, but anyways. Here we have a pretty cool box with a sticker, some silica gel, wee knife embroidered in the zippered pouch. Inside we're gonna find some leaflet, microfiber cloth, a sticker, I think, maybe it's just like a card, and yeah, you're gonna find a knife, which is... This thing is snappy, I'm telling you. Let's go ahead and check the size first. How long is the blade? It's 8 centimeters, so not too big, and I would say 10 centimeters for the handle. Overall, this guy is gonna be like what, 18 and a half centimeters. To make it up for like a pretty small knife, slim, light, snappy. Oh my god, that action is insane. Just want to show you a couple of options that we got here, Neon NL and F95 NL. And just another couple NLs, but these NLs are from Chris Reeve knives and carbon fiber inlays, which is the best inlays, right? Not the micarta ones, not the G10 ones. We like the carbon fiber anyways. There's no inlays going on here, just like some crazy, oops, crazy action, like so snappy, guys, like it's not even funny. Beautiful. Anyways, blue anodized stone washed frame. Look at this. Very, very cool. Very nicely made. It might seem that these there's like a thing here, but it's just like the stone wash finish. You have like a pivot collar which is matching the anodization. You have this pretty cool hardware which is anodized as well. Nicely done backspacer. Would you look at the jimping going on over here? You have some nicely done jimping over here in the thumb ramp. Super slim, by the way. But the thing of this is the snappiness, the action going on in this one. Very, very cool. You get 2 screws for the pocket clip. Look at that, which is very good. I would have preferred maybe a little bit more of a ramp going on there, but it's fine. You have a stainless steel lock face insert going on right over there, screwed in from the outside. Outside is the cut out for the lock bar as well. It's running on bearings, and it is 20 CV clip point blade with some hand rub finish for the flat grind, and the swedge going on over here. You have a dual thumb stud which are titanium anodized, and they confer something that is I can't really do from the back. Like from with the thumb is just like effortlessly firing out. With the, yeah, I mean, just angle maybe like that with your nail. Ooh, reverse flick is just it's a fidgety knife. It's very, very fidgety. I like it. I'm not a fan of this Wii logo over here. I mean, it's not too obtrusive, but it's okay. Clean here. You get some CK logo. Christensen Knife Works right in the back. I love this jimping, by the way. So this thing is just gorgeous. It's very elegant, and at the same time kind of badass, if I can say that. Maybe the blade is a little bit too tall. You have pretty much 80% belly. Nice flat, creating a nice contrast on the blade. You have some internal skeletonization going on. Look at the weight reduction going on there. You want to see how much this guy is weighing? Let's see. Let's do the scale. This guy is very, very slim. You get 3.43 ounces for this guy. Also, I'm curious to see how much is the stock thickness. Let's say at this point you get 3.15, and behind the edge, let's see, it's not like super thin, but we have 0.55 millimeter. So very, very cool blade, thin stock, flat grind, fantastic finish. It's an inexpensive knife. This guy is made in China by We Knife Company, and it's gonna set you back $250 in that ballpark. So it's not gonna break the bank. It's pretty well made. It has like the action, guys, is just spectacular. The ergonomics are also very good. Zero hot spots whatsoever. It just falls in the hand beautifully. It feels great in the hand. Not super sturdy, even if there's no flex. But I have to say, just because it's like so slim, probably it doesn't feel like robust. But it's there. There's no flex. It just fits well in the hand. It's a smaller knife. Of course, I got the pinky just barely making it. But this finger groove is conferring some pretty cool ergonomics in the handle. You get to see maybe, I don't know if you can, there you go. 20 CV, laser engraved there. You have some micro milling going on the scales. Nice stone wash is gonna hide all the scratches you're gonna put into this thing. But the thing, guys, is, oh, and also, by the way, the sound, beautiful. Click, clack, click, clack. This is the perfect example on how to drive your wife nuts, because it's a fidgety one. You're going to be able to do this all day long effortlessly, because of the detent is so well dialed in that you're just going to keep doing this until your wife comes and is like, can you please stop going to my nerves, because this is so nice. It's so pleasant. It's really... there's no like guillotine effect, so you just gotta wiggle a little bit to get it in the close position. But oh my god, this thing is firing open like crazy. Pretty simple construction. You get two screws passing through the spacer in a Chicago screw manner. Absolutely centered blade, recessed safely. You can't snag it. All blued hardware, matching the blue anno finish on the handle. It's slick, it's slim, it's snappy, is subtle. It's something else with the S. It's I don't know, superb, but it's not superb. I mean, it's it's very cool. It's a very cool knife. I love the design. I like the line. Maybe a little bit too tall, but and maybe a little bit too short. But it's actually a very, very good size. It has a very good weight, looking good, and feels good in the hand. It has a great action too. I mean, it sounds also very, very snappy as it is. So there you have it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.